What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today should be the last day that I get to show you guys this 4runner, and if not, then I'm gonna put the complete 4runner in this video. So but first things first, I just want to show you guys what I got in the mail for the silver 4runner. So I just got my tires in. I'm gonna do a full review on those tires because I've had them for about a year now, but on this 4runner right here. So yeah, I'm gonna do a full review on that. But anyways, a good thing happened today, right? My hood came in for the car. I thought it was lost, but then they came in today, or they called me yesterday, and they're like, "Hey, your hood's gonna be there tomorrow. You're gonna be home." I said, "Yes, I'll be home." Next thing you know, I come and get the hood, right? And I see the package. I was like, oh, it's kind of messed up. Maybe that's just how they packaged it. Bro, tell me why when I pulled it out, this is what I see. Are you kidding me, dude? Look, this is the package that it came in. Look at how many footprints are on there. I bought that part from carid.com, and I'm never gonna buy parts there ever again. They sent me the wrong ones. They said that this was lost, but then next thing you know, it's damaged, and I'm never gonna buy there ever again. So if you're gonna be doing a car project, don't go to carid.com. That place is trash, and every time when I would call, it would be an hour, 20-minute wait for no reason. And you know, there was one day where I called and I was on hold for about an hour. The next thing you know, an automated voice system said, "You have reached us at our closing time or after hours." And I was like, are you kidding me? So enough of that. I'm not mad. I'm just kind of frustrated, but I'm gonna try to bend back the other hood, just hammer it down. And I bought some like putty type of deal to go where the bumps are, and hopefully I could put the hood back on today. And I bought the paint for the fender and paint for the hood, and my buddy Steven is actually going to be coming here today to help me put on the bumper, the coastal off-road bumper. So hopefully that goes to plan. But enough of this, I'm going to start working on this hood, so let's go. Alright, so how I'm going to do this is, you see this whole area that's kind of bumped up. I'm going to get my mallet, and I'm gonna start hammering it down this way, and this part I'm gonna try to just hammer as best as I can. And if anything, I'll just put some putty over it and then sand it down. But yeah, first things first though, I gotta take out my grill because this one's broken, and I'm gonna put the other one on whenever I'm done painting this. So let's get to it. So now I got my earmuffs on because my ears aren't that good, and I'm about to hammer this thing, and hopefully I can get it to close to back to where it was before. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this is as best as I can get it, but I'm gonna just have to pretty much put a fat layer of putty over this whole thing, and then that side too. I think I'm gonna do some on the under the hood, just so that it looks clean from the inside. But yeah, it's not too bad. I'm about to sand it right now, and then yeah, paint it after I putty it. So hopefully I can get this hood on by today. Alright guys, so what I'm going to use is this Bondo right here, and I'm going to put it on this cardboard, and I'm going to mix it up, and I'm just going to put it on top, and I'm going to use a something flat to flatten everything out to the desired shape, but I'm going to be sanding it up anyways, so yeah, let's try to get this done. Alright guys, so I had to go back to AutoZone and go buy a block, but I ended up putting putty on it. I know it's kind of messy, but I was just kind of cake it on there so that I could shape it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna shape this as best as I can so that I can get this done, because the dude Steven's about to come by right now and drop off the bumper. So yeah, we'll see you guys when the bumper's here. Want to give you guys an update real quick on the hood. Boom, that's the update on it. I just need to add a little bit more. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I've been working on this thing for like 4 hours now. But on the bright side, Steven, if you're watching this, bam, the bumper's in, guys. The bumper is in. So I just cleaned it. The only thing I'm doing today is putting on primer, and then at least on the back side or whatever I can get to. So I just finished that. I'm gonna let it dry off tomorrow. I'm gonna work on this first so I can actually knock it out and then get it painted, so I can mount it on top of the or on the 4runner. But the reason why I'm gonna do that first is because I don't want dust to be flying from all the Bondo. So yeah, dude, I'm pretty hyped. I think I'm gonna cut the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see the rest of this build, sorry, my arms are getting tired. If you guys want to see the rest of this build, just go back to the other videos and see how I put this radiator support on there. And if you guys want to see the other build, subscribe. And then hopefully in the future, this channel will finally get into the stuff that I want to, which is traveling and exploring the US and maybe the world, who knows. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Why am I smiling?